a tear, no doubt. If you feel like you just don't know when it's getting emotional, don't need to have no fears as long as I'm with you here. And just tell me what you're thinking about. I never wanna go without you next to me. I wouldn't do it differently. And I never even have to doubt. I never wanna go without you next to me. I wouldn't do.
I just want to get what you're wearing on video.
I'm in layers.
Yes, yes, you are layers.
See? 1, 2, 3. 1. Just 2. Just 2 pants and 2 socks. We knew we should have brought our winter coats.
Okay, let's try this. It feels colder than 44 degrees.
Should play it later here
Still says occupied.
before it fades out.
At the dump site. Oh, that little scamp ass dump. Yes. What's that bathroom over there?
Water.
What's that way? Oh, it says park tent versus that way. So past it or it's down by the boat launch. Always down.
Differently. When you feel it burning right into your eyes.
If we can refill water, don't need to buy water.
Water's usually pretty cheap though.
Your heart is telling you to take it slow. I'll be here beside you. Do you ever realize? I'll keep you safe. I'll never let you fall. I'll make it clear. Wanting more than just your touch. I'll be there when you're giving up. Nothing is missing here. You don't need to shed a tear, no doubt. If you feel like you just don't know when it's getting emotional, don't need to have no fears as long as I'm with you here. And just tell me what you think about. I never wanna go without you.
Remember Rogers? I think that's where when we went to I to the okay.
Not going far. This is a dangerous trip. Look at that
Look
dog.
at that dog.
It's a Great Dane.
That's huge.
Or not Great Dane, what is that called? Sheepdog?
Huge.
St. Bernard. St. Bernard. That's right.
That's huge.
Yeah, they're big dogs. Large breed.
You gonna get it?
Yeah, I want to get that hat.
Your camo hat. Match your jacket. Your
Plus, looks like it's got 3 ear things that keep my ears warm.
your gloves. Just gonna stay in it?
Just gonna stay here?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll make it quick. Yeah, okay. Got my fuzzy hat. There we go.
Here's the screwdrivers. Adjustable. Looks real.
Probably is. What's the tag on the inside say?
This actually USA. This is 60% cotton, 40 polyester. Exclusive of dreamy.
So maybe not real fur.
It says Fox 4.
Oh, it says Fox.
Huh?
It says Fox fur.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
Is it real?
That's
It's
real.
Fox 4?
FOX or FAUX.
FAUX. FAUX.
That's fake. Full.
Yeah, iPhone.
Yeah, full fur.
4, yeah.
Yeah.
Which one is front? Looks like, I'm not sure, it can cover your ear. It's just like,
Can't cover my ear when I let it down. That's why it's got the thing on top.
oh yeah, adjustable?
Yeah, you can wear it different ways.
Oh yeah. So that it's soft here.
Yeah.
We should play, Andy. You should play after we
After we have lunch.
have lunch.
Yeah.
Catch all
Actually,
this.
46 degrees.
Ripe trees. So, ripe trees. This is nice angle.
The entire day, there's been nobody there.
Just gonna, people are just gonna
Picnickers, schools.
camp here.
'59 through '80, but sites 55 through '58 are up there too. They're on the right. So, side's kind of weird.
So it's, I think maybe because it's just like enter.
No, if you go by these signs and you have site 55, 56, 57, or 58, you'll never find it because it's not on any of the signs. So that says 28 through 34 and 81 through 85.
Oh yeah, maybe this is the family and so early. So yeah, we can see our canopy from here. No blocking. No parking anymore in there.
Well, I don't know if anybody's going to take that spot or not. We could probably park there.
You say peace is just a state of mind. You help me reach it when I leave mine behind. In this city, chaos and dust in our eyes, speeding at our You say freedom's all about letting go, stripping down from all the ego, tasting beauty when it aches in your soul, letting all these restrictions go. Feels high in my soul when I think about I shine in your glow. You fill me with light. You say my dreams will soon come true. Maintain belief, I see it for you. Open your hands to accept what you wish. Walk your path, take nobody where it feels high in my soul. When I think about I shine in your glow, you fill me with light. Feels high in my soul. When I think about I shine in your glow, spin me around. This storm in my body is taking me. These words that I try to bring easily feel stuck in my throat, constraining me. But your grace I feel surrounding me.
We're walking again here inside the park, Onaway State Park. There are actually new campers. Today is weekend, Friday. It's not pretty busy park compared to Union Bay Campground and Porcupine Mountains. That was really full packed. It's actually nice here, like really quiet. There's boat down there in the lake. Did you say 80 per night?
$86 per night.
86? Not bad for a cabin.
You
Is
get a
it,
hotel for that.
is it high?
That's
I mean, they have kitchen,
no kitchen.
no kitchen, just sleeping.
It just says 2 rooms with bunks. That's all it says.
So that's the beach
But
area.
$86 a night for 2 rooms without bunks and no bedding. It's not competitive with hotel prices.
Well, that's cold. What's that shore view?
Yeah.
Shore view cabin. It's really straight to the lake cabin. It's really cold peak this week. It's very cold today, freezing. Not really freezing. Is it 40? 44 maybe, but feels like freezing. The colors. I saw a boat. There's the boat, honey. Fishing, maybe. Fishing in the Black Lake. This is the day use area, picnic area. The chairs are already all gathered in there at the bench. Wonder if they're gonna cover that for winter. That's the little beach. And there's boating people there. I think they are gonna fish. They look like cold too. When are we gonna do fishing? This is the mini beach on Onaway State Park. There's the boat lounge over there. There's the cold mark. Fancy hat, fancy beanie.
The sweetest melody ever heard.
Just sitting my 1 week old ago. baby. Dear or that. Leftover chicken adobo over the campfire.